This is quite strange considering that the app is as simple as they come and doesn't even require any special access or permissions other than the network connection. We tried to shed some light on the problem and provide applicable solutions below. Amazon Shopping app not working on Android. If the Amazon app won't open on your Android, it might be due to corrupted local data, network issues, a bug in the current version. You can fix this by clearing local data, double-checking the network, or sideloading an APK. Learn more below. 1. Check the network. This step is self-explanatory considering that this app is a client for a web store. It won't load the content or won't even open at all unless you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Therefore, make sure that the network is not the cause of the problem by testing it in other apps. If you can confirm that there are no network issues and that all other apps work as intended, continue to the next step. On the other hand, if you determine that there are some connectivity issues, learn what to do if your Android won't connect to Wi-Fi in our dedicated troubleshooting article. 2. Clear local data. If the network is not the reason behind Amazon Shopping app issues, we can move our attention to the app itself. Although it doesn't store a lot of data locally, it is, at the end of the day, just an Android client for a web shop. Any data can still get corrupted over time. The best step to address this is to clear local data and reset the app. Here's how to clear local data from the Amazon app on Android. Open Settings. Select Apps. Expand all apps. Open Amazon Shopping. Tap Force Stop at the bottom. Tap Storage. Clear data and restart your device. Amazon app won't open. Sign in and check if the Amazon app still won't open. 3. Reinstall the app. Alternatively, you can try reinstalling the app. This isn't much different than clearing local data, but we recommend it because you'll get the latest version of the app. That should, hopefully, address the issue. Here's how to reinstall Amazon Shopping on Android. Open Play Store. Search for Amazon Shopping and expand the app. Tap Uninstall. Restart your device and install the app from Play Store again. If that fails, try reinstalling Android WebView on your device. 4. Uninstall Android WebView updates. Third-party apps that have built-in browsers rely on Android WebView integration. Not so long ago, there was a global outage affecting many apps caused by Android WebView. The best solution for possible issues with the WebView is to uninstall the app updates and update it again. Here's